expected to launch up to 4 Galaxy Note 10 versions this summer, according to the most recent leaks, although 2 of them will be 5G variations of the two 4G handsets. Still, this is something that Samsung hadn't done before, with the exception of the Note 4 series, which also featured an introductory Note Edge concept. Samsung supposedly wants to replicate the sales success of the Galaxy S10 by offering buyers multiple Note 10 models to choose from, and, in doing so, Samsung might make a significant change to the Galaxy Note's name. An insider who provided accurate details about Samsung in the past shared this purported Galaxy Note 10 name on Twitter. Ice Universe's cryptic tweet supposedly mentions the name of the most expensive Note 10 Pro that Samsung will launch this year, styled as Note 10 Pro. However, we have no context for the name drop. It might be inside information, but what if it's just a guess? Previous reports that said the Galaxy Note 10 would launch in 2 distinct versions drove speculation that a Note 10e will be sold alongside the more expensive model, the regular Galaxy Note 10. Since its introduction, the Galaxy Note was sold as a Pro flagship device that featured additional features on top of the most recent Galaxy S handset, many related to the S Pen stylus. It's not as if the Pro particle is needed. As for the Galaxy S series, Samsung this year launched 4 models, including the S10e, S10, S10 Plus, and S10 5G, none of them got to be a Pro. Assuming Ice Universe actually knows the name of the device, the Note 10 Pro indicates that the cheaper model will be sold as the Note 10. Additionally, Samsung could also sell 2 5G versions of the phones that could be marketed as Note 10 5G and Note 10 Pro 5G. Yes, these handset names are getting sillier and sillier each year. Please help me by sharing this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me, and don't forget to subscribe on the channel and to click on the bell, to be notified with the latest uploaded video. Thanks a lot for your time.